Okay, you're happy with your animation, but you want to start adding some color. Now, what we need to do is first we need to make sure we're on the fills layer because we're going to be filling underneath. We're going to grab our fill tool because that's the one we want to be using, and we should be able to click in our object, but it's not doing it. That's annoying. Why is it not doing that? And that's because we've got it set to solid stroke up here. We need that set to solid fill, and we can do that down here as well. We can click on the materials tabs and we can put a solid fill in, and if we click now, Blender's understood that that has turned into grey. Okay, so we can click through and we can fill our animation by clicking through, provided I have closed the gaps on all my things. So we can do that. Now, that's okay, but let's say you want to change color or add different color. To do that, you would need to add a new material, because if you change the base color here, you're changing the base color of, if we scrub through, you've changed the base color of the material. So if you, a way to imagine it might be, and I'm not sure if this will track, it might not. A way to imagine it is perhaps that this is your, maybe your palette, and you're changing the color of that. That doesn't work. I don't think that works as a you just have to get used to using materials. But let's say we wanted two different colors going on. Let's jump back to here. Let's go back to solid stroke, because at the moment, let's say we wanted to have another ball turn up, and again, make sure you're on the right layer, because I just did that on the fill layer. To make another color, set up an example here, hit the fill, we go to fill in, we want to change the colour, we're going to need a new colour because we don't want this ball to be grey. To do that, we add a new material, click the plus, then plus here for new, and it's got its stroke line and its fill colour down here. So first we're going to name this solid pink. We then click on our colour here, find the colour we want. We're going to go for the brightest pink we can find, which is probably up here somewhere, and then we're away. Now if you go to grab it and fill it in solid pink, we've got the material. Why isn't it working? You need to click here as well for where it says surface for stroke and fill. You need to click fill, and then you've got it. Okay, and that way you've got different materials. With that, you should now be able to do a small multicolored animation, changing the colors. It's just being conscious of making sure you're on the right layer. So clicking on the data, clicking you're on the right layer when you do it, and making sure you're making the right materials for what you're then setting up to animate. Good luck. Another thing to be aware of as well is when you are on the fill layer, you are making new frames as well, the same as regular, and you can see it's kept the data as I've gone through there. You do need to make sure that you are going through and you are the same as the other layer, making these keyframes as you're going on as well, because otherwise it will remain the same underneath. So if you're colouring it, you need to make sure you're colouring it as you're going on. Okay.